To begin, open Settings on your handset. Swipe up to go down. And find Apps. Tap on it. Then go to Dual Apps. From the next screen, tap on the Create button. You will then see a list of the apps that support Dual App. Tap on the app you want to create Dual. Now tap the slider to enable Dual Apps. And the Dual app has been created successfully. You can create total 6 Dual apps in this device. Now go to your apps drawer and check. Here you will find the recently created Dual app, easily recognizable by its Dual app logo. If you want to uninstall any Dual app, again go to the Dual apps settings. And then select the app. And then tap the slider beside Dual apps. From the pop-up menu, tap OK. And the Dual app has been uninstalled. So in this way, you can enable and use Dual apps on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro.